Have you ever find yourself struggling to put together a sentence in English that sounds natural? Learning English can feel like impossible puzzle. But what if I told you that right now from the comfort of your home you can have access to some of the best online sources for free? Today we are diving into top 10 websites that will not only teach you English but help you speak it confidently. As Mark Twain once said, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. So let's get started. At number 1 we have BBC Learning English. It's like learning from that wise, seasoned English teacher who always has the perfect word for every situation. BBC English has a separate section for every aspect of the English like grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary and more. At number 2 we have Duolingo. Duolingo is a gamified app that feels more like playing a game than studying a language. It's super easy to stay motivated with rewards and goals. Plus, it teaches you to speak and understand English through bite-sized exercises, keeping it a fun and light. Next up, we have Fluent U. For all the Netflix and YouTube lovers, Fluent U has got you covered. Fluent U teaches English through real-world videos, news clips, movie trailers, and even funny commercials. It's like learning through a binge watching but actually productive. Fluent U breaks down each video with subtitles, definitions and quizzes. At number 4 we have Coursera. Coursera feels like having an access to college level courses but without the hefty price tags. You can learn English through university-taught courses by schools like the University of Washington. Imagine putting University of Washington on your resume, all for free. For all those who prefer live interactive classes, Lingoda is your go-to website. It's like having your own personal English coach. You choose the time that fits your schedule and classes are small, so it feels super personal. Plus, they have free trial to get you started. If vocabulary is your main challenge, then Memrise is perfect for you. It's full of creative mnemonics to help you remember words and phrases easily. Memrise turns every word into a memorable experience, so it sticks with you. Let's talk about the social learning with HelloTalk. It's a platform that connects you with native English speakers for real conversation. Think of it as a language exchange, like meeting a friend from another country and learning together. Open Culture compiles free English courses from top universities like Harvard and Yale. It's like sneaking into elite classroom all from your couch. The next website which I want to introduce is from TED, and it is called a TED ED. It is perfect for those who want to improve their comprehension and listening. They use short, thought-provoking videos so you learn while getting inspired. It's like taking in knowledge from some of the best minds in the world and doing it totally for free. And finally, we have got YouTube, which is the hub of all the learnings, and English is no exception, like with channels like English Addicts, BBC Learning English and English with Ima. There's no shortage of the content to practice speaking and listening. You can follow along with the real English conversation, pronunciation drills and listening exercises, and the best part, new video comes out daily. The beauty of learning a language is that it opens doors not just to new words but to new ideas and experiences, and these 10 sites can be your stepping stone on that journey. And in the words of Nelson Mandela, if you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. But if you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart.